Hi guys, welcome to another exciting episode of Empress Kitchen, and today we are going to be making delicious egusi and pounded yam. Tell me in the comment section what you like to pair your egusi with. I like to pair my egusi with pounded yam, maybe because I'm from Osun State, that's why I like pounded yam with egusi soup. Join me as I walk you through my ingredients. I have my crayfish, my egusi grinded one. I have my beef. I have my black fish. This black fish, I'm excited about it. I have my Iru locust beans. What's egusi without Iru? Then I have my Ugwu pumpkin leaf. So let's get in. The first thing I want to do today is to boil my yam. While boiling my yam, I'm going to be cooking my egusi also. So it's a two-in-one thing. We all have different style, but this is my own style. I go in with my palm oil, then I eat it for about 1 minute. Then I want to build my flavor. I go in with my onion and my locust beans. You see, when you fry your onion and locust beans first, trust me, everybody in your compound, they will queue at your door to come and have a taste of your egusi soup. I'm going to fry my melon. I'm mixing it with my stock so that it should thicken it, and because I want lump in my egusi, as I'm eating that egusi, I want to be seeing lump, you know, that big size of egusi. Then I go in with all my ingredients.
Wait, have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now. Smash the like button. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.
My egusi is ready and I'm going in with my Ugwu. This Ugwu, I will not allow it to cook for long because I want to retain the nutrients. It is well washed. I want it to just simmer for about 3 minutes. Then I go in with my last ingredient of today, which is my crayfish. Why are we putting the crayfish last? It's just for it to still maintain the aroma. If we put it first, the aroma would have gone. This my kitchen is filled with aroma. Oh, trust me. What would you like me to make next? Tell me in the comment section. I want to see your comment. Oh yeah, Auntie Risi, Auntie Shade, oh yeah, Brother Chinedu, Brother Emeka, how you dey like your own egusi? Go to my comment section now and drop that comment. My yam is now very tender. I can put it in my processor now. I'm not using mortar and pestle. Rárá o.
No, mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
We are doing the processor type here today, and the pounded yam is going to come out beautiful, fluffy, and cocoless. When I've known Mr. Divanj. And now our pounded yam is ready. Who is excited to eat pounded yam and egusi soup? I think my egusi is elemi mejo because I have crayfish, I have locust beans, I have beef, I have jadudu, that's catfish, and I have pomo. That's elemi maro. And our pounded yam and egusi soup is ready. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? See beauty, see egusi, see pounded yam. Come join me, come join me. Come. If you want to see more of this video, don't forget to share, like, follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Dr. Shina Aladejubelo TV.